It's coming. Totality is here. I am here on Prince Edward Island, an amazing place in northern Canada on the east coast. And we are here on a photopills expedition with fellow photopillers, photography enthusiasts who are interested in chasing the total solar eclipse, which next Monday is going to be right here, coming right over our heads. And that's the plan, to shoot that. But in the meantime, we're here on the banks of this, if you can hear waves in the background. I'm on a cliff, and behind me is one of the 63 lighthouses that are on this island, and we are just having a ball. I just love it. Find a spot and wait out the sun. It's eclipse day, everybody. Let's do it.
Filters out! See the orange in the sky?
Woo-wee!
Diamond rings! Diamond rings! Wow! Diamond ring! Hey, bracket in, bracket in, bracket in. 8 seconds for the corona. Look at that flow. That's it.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Woo!
Wow.
That's just amazing. Just incredible.
Arriba, 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 abajo, al centro, para adentro. Oh my goodness!